Hey friends, let's write and learn the 26 letters in the alphabet. Let's start with letter A. A is for apple. Great job! Next letter is letter B. B is for ball, a bouncy ball. Great job! And the next letter is C. C is for cat. The next letter is D. D is for dog. And the next letter is letter E. E is for elephant. And the next letter is letter F. F is for frog. Ribbit, ribbit. And the next letter is letter G. G is for grapes. Yummy! Next letter is letter H. H is for hands. And now we're on the letter I. I is for ice cream. Next is letter J. J is for jam. Hooray! Next up is the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Boing, boing. And we have the letter L. L is for llama. Next is the letter M. M is for monkey. Next is the letter N. N is for noodles. Then we have the letter O. O is for orange. Next letter is P. P is for pig. Oink, oink. And we have the letter Q. Q is for quill. Next is the letter R. R is for rain. Then the letter S. S is for sun. Then the letter T. T is for train. Next is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Then the letter V. V is for violin. W. W is for whale. Then the letter X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yet. And the last letter is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Great job! Thanks for writing with me. See you on the next one.